Good afternoon, Year 4. This is your geography lesson for Friday afternoon. This should hopefully be your last recorded lesson because you will be in school next week. We're really looking forward to seeing your happy smiley faces and teaching you face to face. Okay, so our geography session is why does Italy roar? Okay, that's what we're going to look at today. Okay, so as part of this lesson, I have found some videos for you to watch which are much more fascinating and interesting than me talking. So I'm going to show you, and I'll paste the link on Teams for you to open the videos up, and I'll show you just what the video should look like. So the first video that you want to look at is this one here. Hopefully it will open. Okay, so you want to have a little look at Mount Etna. It's the footage captured of volcano erupting at night, okay? This was quite recent, and Mount Etna is in Italy, okay, which is obviously what we're looking at. So have a little look at the footage and watch the volcano erupt, okay? So that's the first video I would like you to have a little look at. Okay, so why does Italy shake and roar? So on here you can see the little red dots are where there has been evidence of a volcano or an earthquake quite recently in the past. So I want you to have a little think about if this happens in Stanley. Do we have a volcano? And do we experience earthquakes? Okay, pause for a little minute and think, why don't we? Okay, so let us have a little look. So Italy sits within this tectonic plate. So here on this map you can see where the tectonic plates are across the earth, okay, and these move around underground and they cause volcanoes to erupt, okay. So this is Italy here, so there's lots of action here in Italy, which is why Italy has a volcano and sees earthquakes. Now we're going to do earthquakes next week. We're just focusing on volcanoes at the moment, but this is why Italy has volcanoes and experiences this. Okay, now this is the next video that I want you to look at, so I'll pop the link on Teams for you. It's a BBC bite-sized one, okay. It's really good, and it talks about what happens with volcanoes and why they are and why they erupt. You might need to watch this video a couple of times because the activity that you're going to do today is based around volcanoes and why they erupt, okay. So you might want to watch that once or twice. So this is what I would like you to do. I would like you to create a storyboard to show the various stages of a volcanic eruption, okay? So your storyboard is also saved on Teams, but it'll look a little bit like this. So on your storyboard, you can draw a picture and then write a little explanation here as to what's happening in each of the pictures, okay? So think about what happens, 4 different aspects of it, before the volcano erupts, okay? And all the information that you need is on that video that I've asked you to watch. Okay, there's another YouTube video here that I'll pop the link on Teams for you to have a little look at, and it's just another example. I'll probably give you an advert first. I thought it might.
Monster Math presents Addition Below 10.
Sorry about that advert, boys and girls. So this one's here, another little lesson about volcanoes, so you can watch that, and that'll give you some more information about volcanic eruptions. That'll help with your storyboard. And then the second activity that I'd like you to do this afternoon, boys and girls, is I would like you to have a little look at this mini dictionary, okay? So all of the words that are key vocabulary for volcanoes erupting are there, and their definitions are here. This is available on Teams, so you cut these out and stick them in the correct places on those sheets. Okay, I look forward to seeing the work that you produce.